Hey guys, this is my new Kraken Vekta.5 trophy truck unboxing. I'm gonna open it up. Oh, I got the box this way. There's the front of it. See, get the front of it. Let me see. So there's the front of it. Now I gotta cut the sides there and get it out. If I can. This knife doesn't work very good, does it? Oh, I got a scratch on the box. That's for me. You're filming me? Hey, what's up, YouTube? This is Henry Kit RCT unboxing. I guess you slide it out from the side. Here, let me see. Alright. Guess I'll just open one of these. It's sealed, so. Yeah. See, I'll just open it up here from the side. Sorry guys, this is my first unboxing. I'm not too good at it. Right? I don't think the video's all shaking a little bit. Ooh, there's the rear tires. Look at that. Cool. I didn't open it from the front, but that's alright. Alright. Let me slide it out of there. How do I get it out of there exactly? There we go. Wow, look at that thing. It's a controller. Well, that thing's nice. Awesome, dude. I love that, dude. That truck is sweet. So here it is out of the box, guys. It's pretty cool. Awesome. Alright, so let's see the controller. Of course, I'll be using a Futaba, but yeah. taped here on the bottom, looks like. Oh, nice. There's a sticker. Oh, that's a separate panel there. Alright, cool. Check it out. Look at that thing. Awesome. Let's see the front end here. That is pretty nice. Dang. Kraken, you guys did an awesome job on this thing. That thing's nice. Alright, I'm going to try and get it up on this table over here. Sweet, it fits on this table pretty good. Nice, look at the shocks. Let's see what else we got in here. Oh, killing myself there. Okay. Manual. Anything else? That's everything. There's the manual. Alright. Alright guys, there's the unboxing. I'll probably get more videos of it. For right now, I'll just leave the video like this for now. Show some little shots. So it has a lot of updated features on this. A lot of anodized parts. The special shock stoppers on there. It's got the pins on the drive shaft right here. So that's good. Yeah. Looks to be pretty good. Let's see the shocks. Oh yeah, those are smooth shocks. Cool. Let's see. Slide a little bit. That thing is nice. The 29cc motor, stock motor in there. I think it Chang Yang motor. Alright. Yeah, I'm going to be putting a Bertolone pipe on it. And lots of a few other little things. Probably the aluminum RB Innovations stack right there. Aluminum, and a few other aluminum parts, but I'll show you guys that later. Yeah, I'll make another video where I have the body off, looking at it some more. Here's the front. Oh yeah, look how different the front A-arms are. That's pretty cool. Nice. So yeah, here's a new Kraken Vekta.5 trophy truck added to my collection here, guys. Pretty nice collection. So I'll end the video right here, guys, and I'll probably have other videos of it. Here's the back end. Alright, awesome, guys. Thanks for bearing with me there in the video, but I got it out of there. Kit RCT signing out. See you guys later. Bye.